Hi, I'm Alex from Bright Path Estate Planning. I'm a solicitor specializing in wills and probate, and today I want to talk about probate. A lot of people have heard this term before, but what does it actually mean? So I have prepared a short video that explains a little bit more about this and the detail on how to apply. But if you have any questions at all, if something's not clear, please do not hesitate to contact me because I do want to help. So if there's anything at all that I can help with, please do get in touch.
Losing a loved one is never easy. Amid the emotional weight, navigating the legal steps ahead can feel overwhelming. One key part of settling an estate in England and Wales is applying for a grant of representation, a legal document confirming a named person's authority to manage and distribute the deceased's assets. The type of grant of representation you need depends on whether there's a valid will. If there is a will, it's called a grant of probate, and the executors named in the will apply. If there's no will, it's called letters of administration, and usually a close family member applies. So, how does the application process work? First, check if you need a grant of representation. If the estate's value is low or jointly owned assets pass directly to a co-owner, a grant of representation may not be necessary. However, most banks and organizations require it to release funds and property. If a grant of representation is needed, gather essential documents: the original will, the death certificate, and details of all assets, debts, and liabilities. Assessing the full value of the estate is crucial not only for the probate application, but also for calculating any inheritance tax due. Next, complete the inheritance tax forms. This might be needed even if no tax is owed. Use HMRC's forms and submit them online or by post. Once this is done, you can apply for probate online through the government's portal or by post using the relevant PA1 form. You'll need to pay the probate fee, which varies depending on the estate's value. Submit all required documents, including the original will and death certificate. After review, the probate registry may ask for additional information or clarification. Processing times vary, but once approved, you'll receive the grant of probate. This document allows you to access funds, sell property, and distribute assets according to the will. Though legal processes can seem daunting, knowing the steps helps. With the right preparation, you can manage probate efficiently and ensure your loved one's wishes are honored with care and clarity. If you have any questions or need any assistance with applying for a grant of representation, please get in touch.